Ourselves. My name is Wanda Habib Lubis.
My name is Yevgeny Sinaga. My name is Kenya Olivia Agatha Siombi.
My name is Andra Kanita Mafuda.
So now we will explain about fish oil.
So, have any of you tried fish oil supplement before?
Yeah, I've been taking them for a while now. I heard they are great for heart health. I've been curious about them, but I'm not sure if they worth it. Do they really make a noticeable difference?
I used to take them, but I didn't notice much of a change. Maybe I wasn't talking enough.
I think consistency is key with supplement like fish oil. I might take some time before you notice any effect.
Definitely, and if you're not a fan of supplements, incorporating more fatty fish into your diet can also provide to someone who is naturally. That's a great point. Variety is key when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Thanks for the advice, everyone. I am definitely integrating more fish oil into my routine.